Kedarnath is a Hindu shrine located in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, and it has a rich history and mythology associated with it. According to Hindu mythology, the Kedarnath Temple was built by the Pandavas, the heroes of the Hindu epic, the Mahabharata, as a way to atone for their sins. Lord Shiva, who was being pursued by the Pandavas, took the form of a bull and disappeared into the ground at Kedarnath. The temple is believed to be built on the spot where Lord Shiva disappeared, and the lingam inside the temple is said to have been formed naturally by the elements of earth, air, water, and fire. In terms of its historical significance, the exact date of the construction of the Kedarnath temple is not known, but it is believed to be more than 1000 years old. The temple has undergone several renovations and rebuilding efforts throughout its history, due to natural disasters such as heavy snowfall, landslides, and earthquakes. The Kedarnath Temple is considered one of the holiest places of pilgrimage for Hindus and is one of the 4 sacred shrines in India, known as the Char Dhams. Thousands of pilgrims visit Kedarnath every year to pay homage to Lord Shiva and seek his blessings. It is said that the Pandavas, the heroes of the Hindu epic, the Mahabharata, built the Kedarnath Temple as a way to atone for their sins. According to the legend, Lord Shiva tried to evade the Pandavas by taking the form of a bull, but was finally cornered by the Pandavas at Kedarnath. Lord Shiva then disappeared into the ground, leaving only his hump on the surface. The temple is believed to be built on the spot where Lord Shiva disappeared into the ground. It is believed that the sages Nara and Narayana meditated at Kedarnath for many years, and Lord Shiva was so pleased with their devotion that he granted them a permanent dwelling place at the temple. The lingam, a symbol of Lord Shiva, at the Kedarnath temple is said to have been formed naturally by the elements of earth, air, water, and fire. These legends and others have made Kedarnath a significant pilgrimage site for Hindus and a place of reverence for followers of Lord Shiva. It is not accurate to say that Kedarnath was buried in snow for 400 years. According to historical records and local legends, the Kedarnath temple has faced several natural disasters, including heavy snowfall, landslides, and earthquakes, which have caused damage to the temple and its surrounding area. However, the temple has also undergone several renovations and rebuilding efforts throughout its history. The most recent disaster occurred in June 2013, when flash floods and landslides caused extensive damage to the temple and nearby villages. While the temple itself was not completely buried in snow, the surrounding area received significant snowfall, which caused damage to the infrastructure and made it difficult for pilgrims to reach the temple. Kedarnath, the temple, and the town were all subjected to the wrath of nature, but the shrine managed to escape unscathed. The damage was confined to the temple's outer walls only. It is widely held that a massive boulder that redirected the flow of water to the sides of the temple prevented the structure from being swept away by the water. Bhimshila is the name given to the enormous rock that is venerated in Kedarnath. The temple has maintained its height over the years and continues to draw visitors from around the world.
मैं और नीचे मंदिर में जा रहा हूँ मंदिर में जा रहा
One of the most significant calamities occurred at Kedarnath in 2013 when it was affected by flash floods, which was one of the worst disasters that occurred in 100 years of its existence. Bhimshila stands for God's Rock, which saved the holy temple of Kedarnath from being washed away by the turbulent floodwater.
जय हो मा जय हो.
लेकिन डीडी मॉल में थी वो. शरद का है, होली लग रहा है. और ये आपके नंबर नाराज तो नहीं, शुभम से